kanyo wadhi go mbaka gi apisa mar IEBC mochung' area ma Kasipul miluongo ni Rebecca Abwaku entiere kanyo sani wadhi yude yoro ng'we yamo seche moyude to wadhi go kode mbaka mondo ojie ni arita kwe chalo nade to gipangore nade mar bedo gi arita kwe gi chenro makare bang' report ma chopo irwa ka ni chal ni nitiere jok moko machalo jomahundu mokele area ma Kasipul to kata kamano Kipchumba Murkomen men jatend duol mar rito arita kwe nowacho ni ok bi yiene joma kamano timo gima kamano. Sani pod ntiere mana repode machopo irwa ka ni jogo ntie madwaro ketho ombulu ma Kasipul. Mano gima wadhi gogo mbaka gi Rebecca Abwaku men apisa mar IEBC mochung' ne Kasipul dingisa ni chal ka gima oseyude. Rebecca Imore, good evening. How are you doing and how far the preparations so far?
Good evening to you. We've already released our polling officials. By 7, all of them had left the tallying center, polling station. And therefore, we are ready for tomorrow's by-election. Everything is in order. We've prepared everything. We've sent them to the polling station.
Rebecca, have you gotten any concerns that there are some people who may have been ferried to your area, like goons, for example, to disrupt the process?
We are not aware. Maybe the security can tell us.
Cooperating with the police?
But up to now, we've not heard anything of that kind.
Okay. How are you cooperating with the police when it comes to making sure that the process is free, fair, and credible?
We've had several meetings with the police. And so far, they have deployed enough security in the polling stations, and we also have those ones who are going to go around the constituency, ensuring that there is peaceful voting. And then at the tallying center, we have over 100 police officers who are stationed at the tallying center so far. So the security is up.
Have you spoken to, are you having conversations with the county government as well to ensure that everything is safe for tomorrow? Were they part of the meeting, and what are the plans that they have?
With the county government, no. But with the security at the county, yes.
Okay. So this meeting was mostly for the national security and yourselves. And you said that you have about 100 police officers?
Both the county security and the sub-county security.
Okay. So far, in terms of preparations, do you believe that everything is set for tomorrow at 6 a.m.?
Yes, we've released everybody.
Okay.
And already they are already in those polling stations. They have, usually when they reach their destination, they have to send us a message telling us that they have already reached. And so far, all of them have arrived to the polling stations. So we expect that tomorrow the polling stations will open as expected at 6 a.m.
Okay. And Rebecca, in Kasipul, you have 10 aspirants for this slot, but we've seen in other places where some aspirants say that they were throwing in the towel after being cleared by IEBC. Does that mean that their name will still be on the ballot, especially after they were cleared by IEBC?
Of course, yeah, they'll still be on the ballot.
Okay. Thank you, Rebecca.
Yeah.
Rebecca Abwaku there is the manager Apisa mar IEBC mochung' ne yiero Kasipul. Wagwuoyo kode dho ngere nikech wacho maber ni en pok giyudo report moro amora, kata wan wachal ka gima yudo report nitie jomoko machalo jonjore mosebedo area ma Kasipul, lakini polisi nowacho ni gibiro ng'iyo ni mondo gine ni chenro ma kamano ok okethore kata matin. Wabiro keto wang'wa mondo